Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. If you're new on this channel, welcome. And if you're a subscriber or returning, thanks so much for coming. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple sun hat. So let's get started. You want to grab your pattern paper and make sure you have 24 inches by 24 inches. That's what we'll be working with. 24 inches by 24 inches. And you want to fold it over. And once that is folded once, then you fold it again. So you're going to be folding it twice. You fold it over once and you fold it again. And you would have an edge like that. You should have something like this right before you start, and you want to start by that edge. You want to grab your ruler and mark 4 inches from the edge of the paper. You want to do that all the way around. 4 inches. Make the marking. Alternatively, you can divide your edge circumference by 6.28. If your edge circumference is 24 or 23, divide it by 6.28, and whatever you have, you want to mark it all the way around. But here I'm going with 4 inches, and then after you want to mark 11 inches as well from the edge of the paper. Once that is done, you want to connect all the dots together as well. Now we have the crown of the hat and the brim. So I'm going to go ahead and just write it. Got the crown and the brim. So now we're going to construct the mid part of the hat. So before then, we're going to cut out. So you have the crown and you have the brim. I want to apologize for the quality of this video. After I recorded the video, I found out my files were corrupted, so I just still had to make this video. I wouldn't let it go, so apologies guys. Now we have our brim and we have the crown. This is how you need to cut. Now we're gonna move on and cut the band. This is very easy. The band is just your edge circumference in a rectangular form. Get your paper and fold over. Make sure you have enough allowance. When you fold it over, it's half of your head circumference. So the 24 inches now, I'll be looking out for 12 inches when folded over. So I'm going to be marking 12 inches over there. For the height of the band, you want to take 4 inches. So I'll be taking 4 inches for the height of the band. Remember guys, when cutting on a fabric, you need to add your seam allowance all the way around. This is just the pattern. When you're cutting on your fabric, you need to add your seam allowance on the crown, on the band, and the brim. So I'm just marking the 4 inches. Then I'll draw a line as well. And the band is ready. As simple as that. As simple as that. So I have 24 inches. Remember when folded, it's 12 on each side, but the total circumference is 24 inches. And when I'm cutting on the fabric, I'll add seam allowance. So you want to remember to do this. There are various ways of cutting the band, but this is just one of the method of the easiest way of cutting a band for the brim hat. So guys, this is it. We have the crown, we have the band, we have the brim, and it's all ready. It's all ready to cut on a fabric. This is what you should have, as simple as that. And when I applied pins, this is what it looks like. I haven't even cut it on a fabric and it looks amazing already. Now we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if it has, guys, why don't you consider subscribing? I'll see you in my next one. Till then, look after yourself as always, and bye for now.